Networks. Not bad. Good afternoon, welcome to VANIKIAS. We'll discuss science and technology. First, we'll discuss about 5G technology. Right? 5G technology. By 2023, in most of the cities, people would have been they will use 5G technology by 2023. Right? 5G technology, it is fifth generation technology. 5G means fifth generation technology. Fifth generation technology, that is 5G technology. Right? Fifth generation technology. Initially, it was just before 5G technology we are using. Now we are using 4G LTE technology. LTE means long term evolution. LTE means long term evolution. Next, what is this 5G technology? Speed will be around. It will provide very high speed internet. Very high speed internet internet services, that is around 10 to 20 Gbps. 10 to Gbps internet that will be provided by 5G technology. Very high speed internet, right? Now at an average we are using 15 Mbps. Indian are using around at an average 15 Mbps speed. So at least it will be 1 Gbps speed. That will bring a breakthrough in the in various commerce sector and internet sector and connectivity. Okay, that means significant development. A paradigm shift we can also say, and because it is a significant development in case of networking and communication. So it will provide seamless connectivity. It will provide seamless connectivity. Seamless connectivity. What do you mean by seamless connectivity? Seamless connectivity means there will so that there will be no buffering. So for example, in now we are using internet services. We see many sites there is issue of buffering also. Even it exists today, right? Many times they open, there is slightly delay. There is processing speed is also the processing sites of a site is some seconds. It will almost reduce to very many seconds. It means few milliseconds. Right, so will not there will be seamless connectivity. There will be no network issues. Okay, next. So and it will it will provide high reliable communication, high reliable communication system. Reliable communication means you will not we will not face any issue of call drop or low quality video calls. Low quality video calls, all these things will be low quality video calls. All these things are getting affected. So these things will not happen after the 5G technology. So what are the advantages of 5G technology? What are the advantages? First is the high speed use of data, high quality streaming. There will be high quality streaming. So it can bring significant development, high quality in a field of education, high quality streaming. So online classes, this will be helpful, very much. It will helpful for online classes. High quality streaming will be there. Then faster storage, faster storage means we have cloud technology. We have cloud technology in the internet. Cloud technology, for example, cloud technology means, for example, our Google Drive. So uploading a data in Google Drive, storing in Google Drive, or using those storage, we need also we need also high speed internet, right? Storing a video, uploading a video in a Gmail, all these things takes time. It takes a lot of time, right? So that time will reduce and faster storage will be there. And access to cloud by business, so that will help the business entities to access to cloud. Access to cloud means, for example, there is any online booking site, it is a cloud means that it is accessed by the employees from any place and they are working from different places. That is a cloud. It is connected by internet. So that cloud will be connected by business persons easily. And these booking things, these are everything are done by cloud. For example, daily booking, these are one type of, they are using the cloud. So or wallets, different wallets, or similar any type of where there is online booking of suppose railways or aircrafts. All these things they are based on clouds. So it will help the business entities. Okay. Next. Then ultra low latency. Ultra low latency. What do you mean by ultra low latency? Ultra low latency, that is very short time. Very short time of processing. Very short time of processing, that is hardly 1 millisecond. 1 millisecond. So there it will not take any time from opening of any site. Immediately it will be open. There will be no offering. There will be no processing in the internet. Then massive internet of things. What is this massive internet of things? That means everything will be connected to internet. At present, the physical systems they are connected to getting connected to physical systems. Now many physical systems are connected to internet. Right? For example, there is Ola Auto. They are connected to internet. Where they move, when they move, right? Or their service, food service, they delivery. They are connected to internet, right? Various transportation are also those are transporting the food services. For example, media services, they are also connected to internet. So many physical systems are connected to internet. Even a printing machine, that is connected to internet. So many physical systems are connected to internet, and their function based on internet. Right? So it is called as massive internet of things. So whatever the rest things are there also, they will be connected to internet. For example, gradually everything, including already our vehicles are getting connected to internet, and they are, so we can easily know their location. So all these things, for example, smartwatch, all these things, they are connected to internet. They are connected via internet. Okay. So gradually For example, there is also another thing, that is Alexa. For example, Alexa or Siri, right? Using artificial intelligence, now these are connected to internet, and they will ask, they whatever we say, they will answer and will act according to that. So massive internet of things means various physical infrastructure, they are getting connected to internet. Any type of service delivery, now they are connected to internet. That is what we call as massive internet of things. This massive internet of things will bring, this will bring accountability and transparency in governance. Accountability and transparency in governance. Okay. For example, cameras in case of cities. Various cameras used in cities. They are taking pictures if somebody is not wearing helmet automatically, right? So somebody is not carrying helmet, automatically they are taking the pictures. They are also sending the pictures and putting their fine. So many of the physical systems are gradually more and more systems are connected to internet, and we are heavily dependent on internet. That is what we call as massive internet of things. So it can be used as in traffic management, industrial automation, precision agriculture. What do you mean by precision agriculture? Precision agriculture means utilization of science and technology in agriculture. That is precision agriculture. That means based on the soil quality, what should be the seed, exact seed, how much water should we, how much exact water should we use in the field, how much fertilizers, right? So all these things will be exact based on the calculation things. Calculating the moisture in the atmosphere in that area, calculating the rainfall, calculating the temperature, right? So how much what should need to be used so that will give us maximum productivity. All these things are calculated, and there is use of science and technology. For example there is Kisan drones, right? Kisan drones, which is very highly effective. That can apply fertilizers uniformly throughout a big area within a very small time, which is very cost effective, and also at a very small section of time, very small span of time, it can distribute fertilizers in different type of areas. That is Kisan drones. Okay. So these are precision agriculture. Traffic management also, these are connected to internet. Industrial automation. Industrial automation is in production, automatically production, right? That is called as industrial automation. For example, in case of YouTube, the news feeds are coming automation. Based on your choice, YouTube observes your choice and accordingly it they recommend in YouTube those news feeds. You get some news feeds that is completely different from the news feeds of others. So this is called as industrial automation. Many things are also there is industrial automation. For example, your industrial automation means, suppose your rating system, that is also industrial automation. You are giving some ratings and that is displayed in the internet. And there is also categorization of different views based on the rating. For example, all these things are industrial automation. Many things are in industries are done by itself by the help of internet. without human interference. That is what we call as industrial automation. Next, in agriculture, 5G can enable improvement in the entire value chain. In agriculture, 5G can enable improvement in the entire value chain. In the entire value chain, right? From precision farming, from precision farming, smart irrigation, smart irrigation, right? And improved soil crop monitoring, all these things can be done by 5G technologies. Crop monitoring, livestock management, livestock management, all these things can be done by 5G technology. Their 5G technology can be applied. In manufacturing, the use of robotics. In manufacturing sector, it can be used for use of robotics. Use of robotics, right? Use of robotics. Usually, robots they do a particular work, right? And if they are connected to, for example, Alexa, that is one type of robotic function. Whatever we say, it does, right? So all these things are if they are connected to internet, so that efficiency got increased. Use of robotics. Yeah. Usually, those areas where human cannot perform these functions accurately or safely, robotics are used. So it's high precision without any error. If you want something, then if we can use robotics, there will be zero error in case of almost zero error in case of robotics because you know human being is prone to make mistakes, but a robot will not make mistakes. So in manufacturing, it can be used. In energy sector, smart grids. In energy sector, smart grids. Smart metering can be efficiently supported. Can be efficiently supported. Smart grids and smart metering. So that what will happen? There will not be any. There will not be the manual. The manuality will produce production, and another thing is that all these things will be stopped, and there will be because in case of electricity, there will 40% or 30 to 40% of electricity are there is leakage of electricity. For that reason, we need smart. For that reason, we need smart metering or smart grids. Next. Next is in case of healthcare, 5G can be more effective. That is effective medicine delivery, effective telemedicine delivery, telemedicine delivery. Telecontrol of surgical robotics. Telecontrol of surgical robotics. Robots who are involved in surgery. Surgical robotics. Wireless monitoring. Wireless monitoring of vital statistics. All these things can be made better by 5G technologies. So what are the challenges actually for 5G technologies? Spectrum auction already happened in this 5G technology. So it's already spectrum and done, but that also the initial challenges are huge investment around 5 lakh crore, huge investment. Our telecom sector is full of NPA in telecom sector after the arrival of Geo. Most of the telecom sector their industries become NPA. Low optical fiber connection, optical fiber connection to the rural areas, especially to the rural areas. Low optical fiber connection. Okay. Another thing is security issue. If the internet will be highly developed, then issues regarding internet frauds and all these things, because they need high speed data, that will be easy for the hackers to do unethical practices. So security issues are also an important issue so far as online model is concerned, because internet is uh, that enters our privacy, right? It enters the room of that do not respect our privacy. For that, we have data protection bill, data protection bill that is written on the recommendation of BNC Krishna committee. Right. Then, so high import of equipment is also an issue regarding 5G technologies. High import of equipments, telecom equipments. These are this is another problem, because so far telecom sector is concerned, many of the equipments are imported. Okay, so what we need to do? Yes, if we want to develop our, we have to, okay, way forward. That things, our suggestions, whatever is way forward. Data protection bill need to be passed. Data protection bill need to be passed. Right. Another thing is that securing data, or data center inside India, or data localization. Data localization means the data of India will not be stored in USA or Singapore. That is data localization. And another thing is that core technology and manufacturing sector, this need to be developed so that they can adopt the 5G technology and to get the rate, get all the benefits. So this is all about 5G technology. Okay. Now we see what is artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is simulation of human intelligence processed by machines. It is simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially by computers. It is also called as machine learning. It is also called machine learning. What do you mean by machine learning? That means machine will start thinking. Machine will start decision making. Right? Such type. That means performing like a complete human being. What is the difference between this artificial intelligence and robotics? In case of robot, a robot do some fixed things, fixed program things. That means the after this you will give this. But generally they are not flexible. They are not like human being. Human being can adapt in any situation, answer in any situation. But machines, robots, they have a particular program set in their body that accordingly they will answer or they will behave. So all these things, so artificial intelligence, it is this is how it is separate from, and this is separate from the robotics. Okay, so artificial intelligence, it basically defines that it is the ability of machines to perform like cognitive task. It is ability to of machine to perform cognitive task, right? To perform cognitive tasks like thinking, perceiving, learning, problem solving, decision making, all these things like a human being. So that is that huge amount of flexibility is required. This is what we call as artificial intelligence. Now, what is the significance of artificial intelligence? That means where it can be used. It can be used in almost all sectors. It has a huge potential. Right? It has no it has overcome the physical limitation of capital and labor. Overcome capital and labor. In offer of new source of value and growth. It will open new source. Right? New source of value and growth means this should bring a dramatic changes in the manufacturing sector and other in service sector as well. Right? Artificial intelligence. That means they can perform as their they can perform cognitive tasks because they are already doing it. In case of your Facebook, in case of mm, in case of suppose YouTube, artificial intelligence is hugely used, right? They are customizing for different viewers or different customers or different persons. They are customizing their messages and everything, and they are done by artificial intelligence. Machine can think and decide based on the case studies it has witnessed in its memory. Next, intelligent automation, that is ability to automate the physical world. Intelligent intelligence automation. Gradually, automations are increasing. Automatically, the machines will perform their cognitive task or physical tasks based on the cognitive direction. Okay. So, physical world tasks automatically completing. It is automatically performing physical world tasks. That is intelligence automation. This is called as intelligence automation. As another thing is that this may lead to unemployment, right? We cannot say it because why? Because when internet came, also many people has commented that this will bring unemployment to many youth because computer will perform the work of many people, but at the same time, computer has given employment to huge section of people that is in the service sector or IT sector. They are working in different countries of the world. So it is expected that artificial intelligence it will reduce the unemployment rates also because we cannot be sure what it will do. Next, innovation diffusion. So this will induce innovation. Innovation will be more and more based on artificial intelligence because it can analyze a huge set of information in a very small span of time. Right? Artificial intelligence it can analyze a huge set of information. So innovation will be easy. Innovation will be easy, and innovation diffusion, that means induction of innovation and technology, that will boost the economy. Right? This that will boost the economy, and because quality of product will increase. Artificial intelligence and research they increase the quality of a particular product. So that will boom the economy, right? That will induce innovation. That will bring economic growth. Next, access to quality healthcare. Access to quality healthcare means, for example, research. In case of research, they can help a lot. Artificial intelligence can help a lot in case of research. So research and innovation, that too in medical sector. So that will provide quality healthcare, because earlier people are thinking and now machine will think. So machine will think obviously it has my higher than the human intelligence, and that will provide huge inputs to research and innovation. And it will in education we can, yes, artificial intelligence, for example, the some cartoons, all these things, they are developing the curiosity in the minds of child and improve their education. That can also be utilized by artificial intelligence. In agriculture, precision farming, that will require, yes, that will a huge amount of, that significant amount of artificial intelligence. This need to be developed so that it can be used in the urban areas. Education and agriculture. Just a second. Okay. Next, National Payment Corporation of India, that is established under in 2007 under Payment and Settlements Act. Payment and Settlement Act 2007. Right. That is, it has started for UPI. It has also applied an AI based AI artificial intelligence chat box. Now chatbot it is a common style of many banks like Ask Illa of SBI. You can ask anything there, then reply. So it is artificial intelligence based on the concern, or you are chatting with so for example food delivery systems. So they are utilizing artificial intelligence, and based on the behavior they will also behave you, and so that is based on artificial intelligence. That is what we call as NPCI. NPCI has also used significant in this technology of artificial intelligence. Google has used very high level of artificial intelligence, so that within very short span of time it is giving around lakhs of if you are searching something you will get lakhs of site that is recommending that. Right? Maybe they are not genuine, but the thing is that they are present. Right? Sometimes they have said truth, and sometimes because of ideology they are changing. But it is true that they have utilizing the fruits of artificial intelligence. What are the challenge? Lack of financial awareness, lack of financial awareness regarding machine learning, regarding machine learning, lack of financial awareness. This is one of the challenge, right? Many people don't know the benefits of artificial intelligence, so they are not adopting it. Okay, budgetary support is also essential. Budgetary support is also essential. Absence of skilled professionals, absence of skilled professionals or data scientists in India, absence of skilled professionals or data scientists in India. That is also a big problem regarding 5G technology. Lack of enabling infrastructure. What do you mean by the enabling infrastructure? Lack of enabling infrastructure means enabling infrastructure. What do you mean by enabling infrastructure? So the backward infrastructure that is needed for the 5G for 5G networks. For example, there are a series of um, towers, mobile towers. So these are backward infrastructure. Lack of infrastructure. Lack of infrastructure. Next, we'll see the issues. Issues with artificial intelligence. Issues with artificial intelligence. This may lead to unemployment. This may lead to unemployment. Issues with artificial intelligence. Data colonialism. Data colonialism. This may because we are over dependent on data and the internet on the things. You can write all the criticisms. You can write all the challenges. For example, unemployment, data colonialism, and data piracy or data protection is not being properly done. There is privacy concerns. So these are the issues. Unemployment may rise, that is around 9% global population may become unemployed because of the artificial intelligence. Okay, so this is all about artificial intelligence. Just wait for a minute. Next topic we are going to discuss is quantum computing. So what is this quantum computing? It is million times powerful than supercomputer. It is million times powerful than the supercomputer. Million times powerful. What is supercomputer? See, supercomputers are not used for day-to-day purposes. They are used for, especially they are used uh, for banking and for banking, transaction calculation, trust statements, updates, and all these things. Weather forecasting. They are supercomputer. Like Param recently Param supercomputer that is inaugurated in the United Tiruchirappalli. But this quantum computer is million times powerful than supercomputer. Normal computer, supercomputer, then quantum computer, which is million times powerful, right? That's why they are very efficient, and that will be utilized in various sectors, in every sectors. For example, now a particular development occurs in such type of internet or, for example, mobile technology. Now the application of mobile technology has become huge. We are getting huge amount of information because it is connected to the Internet of Things. All various physical devices are connected to internet. Mobile is connected to internet. So such type of massive Internet of Things is developing. So any such a particular development lead to multiple developments. For example, mobile technology came before just before 15 years or 20 years. And gradually it suddenly developed and it provided a huge number of services, right? From banking to different services, applications we are using to business. Similarly, this quantum computer, this will be the high version, it is the very high version of the supercomputer. It is of very advanced technology. It is it has very advanced technology. It is made up of advanced technology. It is based on principle of quantum theory. It is based on principle of quantum theory. Based on principle of quantum theory. That is behavior of energy and matter at quantum or subatomic level. That is behavior of energy or matter at subatomic level. At subatomic level, the behavior is observed, and based on that, the quantum technology is created. Right. Next, they encode information in qubits. They encode information in qubits or quantum bits For example, earlier in computer we are using binary digits. Now here it is qubits, quantum bits or qubits. Earlier we are binary digits. Now it is qubits. These qubits represent atom, ion, right? Atom, ion, photon, electrons. All these things are represented by qubits. Okay. Okay. What is the application of computer technology? It can be, yes, it can the quantum can have multiple states simultaneously in different states. This technology, the quantum computers, that can contain these multiple states simultaneously means atoms, ions or electrons. So they are most more powerful than the present supercomputers. So what is the application? It can bring breakthrough. It can bring breakthrough in science. Significant development. Significant development means the whole world will change. There maybe we will not need any intermediaries like the Amazon, Flipkart, or any banks. This maybe they may be completely unnecessary. We will directly transact to each other. So by quantum technology. So whatever significant development will happen, I want to say, but it is at now it has at initial level. At nascent level, the research are going on. The research are going on, right? At initial level, these are the applications. So now it is at initial level. So after it become mature, we can say that there will be significant development in in the quantum technology. So that will bring breakthrough in the science. Okay, and that will bring main case of various sectors like manufacturing, especially research, especially research in medicine in other sectors. Those times which are earlier it was taking 10,000 years, those calculations which was earlier taking 10,000 years, that can be now done in few seconds, right? In few seconds, those research can be done. Computer simulation, various tests, various drug research, all these things can be. It will happen in a small span of time. So that type of development can be brought by the quantum technology. It can develop medications to save life, medication to save life. Like huge knowledge can be, for example, in case of medicine sector also, if quantum technology can be applied in case of a robotics, and we can deploy in healthcare system also, we can provide similar quality of healthcare that is available in the developed countries. Those qualities healthcare will be, that can be given in the rural areas of India. That is also possible by quantum technology. It will make efficient devices and structures also. Efficient devices and structures. That can be done by quantum technology. Right? Machine learning diagnosis. This is also can be done by the quantum computing, right? So, so we have discussed today three subjects. One is the 5G technology, then we discussed artificial intelligence, and third is quantum technology. So for today the discussion is over, and like this video and share and subscribe to Vanik. Thank you.